Welcome to Asia's Travel Adventures, you guys. So, I bought a small crock pot. So cool. So, it's for exactly 2 people. 2-pound roast. Can fit 2-quart round. Disclaimer, not sponsored by this company. And I'm gonna unbox it. What? This is so cool. Like, I already pulled the... Where's it at? The tape off the box. So, I'm sick. Sorry. But this is cool. Look, you guys. I can't do this with one hand. So I have to prop my phone up somewhere. Alright. So there we go. Popped it up on my book. So let's see if we can pull this out. I want to grab the crock pot handle and just like try to pull. There we go. Like packaging. Whoa! Look at that. Okay, let's sit the box down on the floor. This is how it was in the box. So this part here, I'll take this one off. Goodbye. Who needs it? So, there we go. Yeah, this is foam. Now, this is the bottom of the crock pot. Oh, it's glass. You can still see me. It's my nose. That's funny. Ta-da! So here's the lid that was sitting like so in there. Get rid of that. Who needs it? Put the lid down. Be very careful with that. And then this is what the inside looks like. Oh, it has a little booklet. It's a little crock pot booklet. Ooh, the light looks like I'm an angel. Just having fun. Anyways, that's cool. Here's the cord coming out. There's the inside of it. It looks pretty spacious. Here's my hand. I'm little. So it's a little crock pot for a little person. So got this to protect it. Who needs that? Toss it. Got this. And then here's this part in a bag. Taking it out. Ta-da! Trying to set it. And then this ceramic part goes inside. And then here's the lid. There it is. I unboxed a crock pot, y'all. And we're going to make, not today though, but Monday before work, I'm going to prep this for making not roasted I should say, well, crock pot style lemon garlic chicken breast while we're at work with little potatoes that I bought. So that should be good. So we'll do another YouTube channel on that, first time cooking in a crock pot. This little manual is cool. Let's check this out. Just important safeguard instructions there. So, not really a lot. Oh, they got recipes in here. So there's that. Oh, I'm so sick. Oh, freaking sinuses, God. I need to take more medicine. Daytime medicine is not a killer for me, but they have recipes in here. Chicken. I can't read backwards now. Ooh, it's the mirror effect. Barbecue pulled pork. Ooh, honey. Shadoe's gonna love that. There's a recipe in here, babe, for barbecue pulled pork, chili, lemon herb roasted chicken. I guess you could say roasted chicken for the crock pot.
Pulled pork.
He got excited. Alright, and then chicken calatore, I think is how you say it. Calatore. I don't know. Sausage and meatballs. Easy, healthy fish fillet. Well, we don't eat fish at all. And actually, yeah. So, that's not a good one for us. But anyways, crock pot is unboxed. And here's my mess down by my feet. We're done. There's Shadoe. Say hi. Babe. Alright. He's watching TV, so goodbye. I'm not responsible for any of the conversation off the TV, you guys. Disclaimer. Goodbye.